Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my channel everybody. So I am currently working on my December 2023's Paper Pumpkin Kit alternative videos. This is video number 20. Can you believe it? I am like I love it when I get to do that many videos with one kit. Yes, with one kit. So this is the project instruction sheet you get with it. You get 3 cards of 3 designs, the acetate box, the belly band, the envelopes. On the back, of course, is the QR code, and then the kit visual of everything that comes with the kit and the coordinating colors, which I'm not going to bother to go through because we are so close to the end. If this is your first Paper Pumpkin alternative video with me, I apologize, but I do go through and show you everything you get in the kit in the first 5 videos. After that, no. So what are we doing today? Well, let's go for it. So we're right down here on number 20. So this is a balmy blue card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then, this is layer number 1, is 1/2 of a card base from the kit, cut down to 4 by 5 1/4. Wait for it. This is 1/2 of the same card. Okay, back, front, but we're not done. Okay, 1/2 card base from kit, 4 by 5 1/4. We're using the back side on the inside of our card. Pretty cool, huh? We're going to use the envelope as the envelope. I could have gone and done so much more if I wanted to cut up each and every envelope. I did cut up some and use some, but the envelopes are so gorgeous. They kind of, you know, I would like to use them with the cards too. So I have one of the circle sentiments. I have what I call that half a circle flower element. This is actually, this piece was a leftover. It's actually this piece that I cut apart from another card. We're going to use that on that one, and we're going to use this little one as well. So this shouldn't take long. These last videos, I've been making them very simple, very easy to do, just a few changes in them. So we're going to start with our envelope. Did I clean all my stamps off? I didn't. So guess what? We're going to use the same color. We're going to use that Pebbled Path, which is the spot that came with your kit. Move that up there. And wishing you all the best. Hello, friend. Do I change it up? 1,000 good luck wishes. Let's put that one on the front. I don't know if I've done that. I'm looking for it. 1,000 good luck wishes. We're going to do this on the front of our card because, you guessed it, because we can. Ta-da! Got a little ink there. Probably have it on me as well. Let's do some of those little dandelions in the same Pebbled Path. Oh, that is so pretty. We're going to do a few here. Did I know I was going to stamp with this? No. And then I'm going to scatter some like they're meant to be. And this one, that one went that way. So this one's going to go this way. I should have done it another way. And do I need a couple more? Nope, that's good. So that's my envelope done. Check. Inside of the card. Do I do this landscape or portrait? Landscape, portrait, landscape, portrait. Let's take a look first. So this is going to be a landscape card. So I want to stamp on this piece like that. So wishing you all the best is going hopefully somewhat in the center of my inside piece here. Ta-da! Giving us a few little seedlings to go with us. And this one I want right there. That's it for that. That's the inside of the card. Check, done. And I just see that I do have ink on me. So I'm sorry, but gotta give me a second. Hand sanitizer to the rescue. I really need to find my I know where my towels are. Now I remember. They're the bottom drawer right next to my foot. Oh my goodness. I've been like, what can I do? Do I have an extra one of those? No, I have an extra square. I just don't have. Yes, my little fingers are doing this, because I'm looking for that sand eraser. If you don't have one of these and you are a paper crafter, you need to get one. It's going to take off just about... you could have done a better job, but trust me, it is a good thing to have. Now, oh, love you more. 1,000 good luck wishes. Hello, friend. We're going to go with hello, friend. Now, my flower arcs are going to go like so. So I want to do my hello, friend over... I might have to bring in another dandelion. So I'm going to stick this one kind of up because I do have an extra dandelion hanging around. Believe it or not, I do. One that I wasn't sure what I was going to do. So I'm going to bring that one in. And I've got all my stamping done now. And did I ink myself up? Possibility is high. So we can now work on our circle here. So this, I'm going to bring here, this bit was going to go over on this side. But I might have to rework this so it goes. I don't really care for that. I'm just trying to rework what was once going a certain way to cover up my ink spot. So you guys get to see me fart around trying to figure out. I really don't like that at all. I just don't. But I could put this little dandelion like behind that one. I do like that. So that's how that's going to go. And this one may not need it after all. This one is going to come in here. It sure is. I'm going to make it go in there. I'm looking for scissors. My fingers are starting to think, where are the scissors? So this little bit needs to come off. There's no sense in having it. It will not be seen. But this one is going to come right like so. Oh, yes. And I might have to trim it some more, but I really want it going. I really like to take this off and tweak it a little bit to the left. So bothersome that it's going to the right. It should be going to the left. So first things first, I'm going to put some glue here, in here. And yes, I am going to glue that. Just extending that a bit. I'm going to turn it kind of like that. And then I'm going to snip off its tail because we don't need that in there. This one now. The one that I cut off that bit. Oh, yes. Okay. This tail, its little bit right here is all that's going to get glued to the back. It's going to get tucked right in there behind that leaf. The leaf is not as important as the big old dandelion that's going to cause everybody to sneeze like crazy. And then this one I still have is extra. That's just how it works. Okay, let's get our other components together. So we need the inside of our card, which we just did. Ta-da! I almost glued it going, yeah. I was thinking, why is this stamped in the wrong direction? But it's not. I would love to tell you one of the gifts I got my daughter. Cracks up, but I can't say what it's a Morse code bracelet. It's so her. It is so her. She was laughing when she opened it up. She just loved it. I was like so happy she loved it because she's like, oh yes, Mom. I was like, yeah, when your dad and I saw that, I was like, I have to get this. He's like, we're done shopping for her. It's like, no, she is going to love this. Wouldn't be something I would necessarily wear, but I know my daughter. I know my girl. She is so, she may look just like me, but oh, let's put it this way. She could be a sailor with the mouth she has on her. You know, she's actually not that bad, but she's like, Mom, why would you say that? No, I take that back. Let's just put it this way. She don't take no crap. I love that about her. She is coming back to her own. Oh my gosh, it's been over 10 years. Hank is 10 years old. And the guy she fell in love with just beat her down. It was so horrible. She watched this strong, independent, young, beautiful woman, you know, watch a guy crush her spirit, and that bit that you found, you know, it was very hard, but that's my girl. And, you know, I remember being worried, telling my husband, you know, I don't want no little sissy. I don't want to have a girl. I wanted 2 boys. I was afraid I was going to have a prissy little thing like I was growing up, you know. You remember those ruffly underwear for little girls? Okay, this shows my age. Oh, yes. I got so big and my mother had to sew ruffles onto my underwear because they didn't make them in my size anymore. You guys can laugh, yes. Chuckle all you like, because I do. It's just a family laughable thing. So this is going to go to the side. These, like I said, are meant to be simple. Hello, friend. Yes. Do I want to bring this one in a little bit? Maybe. Ooh, yes. And we're going to glue this one down. I should have glued that one all the way down, but we are going to glue this one actually down. Let's snip off some of the tail because we don't need all that tail in here. But that looks really good. Whew. I like the dimension that brings. I wish I had yellow. I don't have any yellow. I don't have any yellow of anything. Not to go on this. So we are going to scatter now some of these rhinestone bits. And do you see where I'm placing them in this center of the big, I mean, why not use them? That's what they're here for. So I'm going to put one here. I'm using all these big ones. One there. Oh, yes. This is such a cool card. So then I'm going to put a small one and a small one. I still want to finish them off. Oh, do I put a big one or do I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? We'll do a small one. Right there. Look at that. Whew. And that's it, guys. Yes, yes, yes. I'll show you my envelope again. Of course, a Winka Stella, everything. You can, of course, you've got a Winka Stella it. Oh, so pretty. And I'm so glad I got to use that dandelion because I was having a hard time earlier when I was trying to figure out. That was a straggler that was left over with no idea of what to use. So this is my envelope. This is my card. Anybody can do this one. I just took bits and pieces, as long as you have those bits and pieces left, right? So thanks for watching, everybody. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I'm sorry that I'm bothering you to ask, but would you please consider it? I would greatly appreciate it. It was a little disheartening when I went and looked on some analysis that 55% of you who watch my videos don't subscribe, and I would like to know why. Maybe you don't want to. If you watch my videos, it really does help me by subscribing, so please reconsider that. I would greatly appreciate it. And of course, I'm going to invite you to come back and visit my Wonderland, whether you want to subscribe to my channel or not. If you just enjoy watching me create some crazy different projects, please, please feel free to come by anytime, stop and see me. But please, if you also consider, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of what I do. I would greatly appreciate it, and I hope to see you again in my Wonderland. Bye bye for now.